Charge going up, fire in the hole. Go. 1. Left clear, servers on the right, main floor clear, moving deeper.
Room secure.
Left. Multiple terminals, all live. Drives in, pulling the data now. Package secured, moving out.
Trading is mostly mental because the hardest part of trading isn't learning the charts, it's mastering yourself. You can memorize setups, New York Open, breakouts, break and retest, liquidity grabs, but if you can't control your emotions, those setups mean nothing. Trading psychology is what separates the disciplined from the desperate. Here's the truth. Every decision you make in the market is emotional first, logical second. A win fires dopamine, makes you feel invincible. A loss triggers fear, makes you chase the recovery. And that's how most traders lose, not to the market, but to themselves. That's why your mindset is your first strategy. It's the filter that decides whether you follow your plan or your impulse. And the foundation of that mindset is your journal. A trade journal isn't just a notebook, it's your black box, your mission log. It tracks who you are as a trader and how you think when money's on the line. Here's what goes in it. Every single trade you take, the date, the time, the instrument you trade, the setup type, your entry and stop loss, your target, and most importantly, your reason for entry. Then comes the part most traders skip, your emotions. What were you feeling before the trade? Were you confident, hesitant? Was it fear of missing out? Did you take it because it fit your plan or because you were bored? After the trade closes, write down what happened, win or lose, record the outcome in terms of risk and return. How much risk did you take and how much did you gain or lose? Add screenshots from your chart entry, exit, and context. Label your trade by category, breakout, retest, continuation, reversal. That's how you start collecting real data. And when the week ends, you review. That's the part where you grow. You look for patterns not just in price, but in yourself. Do you trade better early in the session? Do you lose more after 3 trades in a row? Do you size up after a win? Your journal tells you what your emotions won't. Once you have enough data, you'll see your edge clearly. You'll know which setups perform best, which timeframes suit your temperament, and which habits are quietly draining your account. That's how journaling turns random trading into a repeatable process. And that process builds discipline. Because when you write everything down, you start to see the truth. You can't hide from bad habits. You can't justify impulsive entries. Your journal keeps you accountable. It forces you to slow down, reflect, and trade with purpose. Mindset isn't built in one winning week. It's forged in drawdowns, in patience, in the honesty that comes from reviewing your own performance and saying, this was me. I caused this. That's where growth begins. So yes, learn your technicals, master your strategy. But if you don't master yourself, you'll repeat the same mistakes forever because trading isn't just about the market. It's about the mirror in front of it. Start journaling today. Every detail, every thought, every lesson, let the data expose your habits and let discipline refine them. That's how you build longevity. That's how you earn clarity. This is Breach and Clear Trading, where we don't just trade the charts, we train the mind behind them. Discipline is the mission and clarity is the reward.